In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open 4 charts in TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, being able to monitor multiple charts simultaneously is a powerful tool that enhances your trading strategy and decision-making process. Let's dive in and explore this simple yet effective method to optimize your TradingView experience. To start, it's important to understand that the ability to open more than one chart in TradingView depends on the subscription plan you have. If you're currently on the free plan, you might have noticed that you're restricted to just one chart per tab. This can be limiting, especially if you want to keep an eye on multiple markets or pairs at the same time. So, how can you get around this limitation? Well, you need to be on a paid plan. Let's break these options down a bit. The Essential or Pro plan allows you to open up to 2 charts per tab. This is a decent step up from the free plan and could work for many traders. However, if your goal is to view 4 charts at once, you'll need to upgrade to the Plus plan, which supports exactly that. And if you're looking to go beyond that, the Premium plan allows you to open up to 8 charts per tab. On the higher end, there are even more advanced plans offering an impressive 16 charts per tab, but for today's purpose, let's focus on setting up 4. Once you've ensured you're on the Plus plan or a higher tier, the next step involves setting up the chart layout. Start by opening a new chart tab. You'll see the TradingView interface, which can initially seem a bit overwhelming with all its tools and options, but don't worry, we'll navigate it together. Look at the top of your screen, and there you'll find a toolbar featuring various icons. Among these icons, there's one that looks like a grid. This is the Select Layout icon. It's the key to customizing how your charts are displayed. Go ahead and click it. Once you click on the Select Layout icon, you'll be presented with several layout options. Since our focus is on having 4 charts on display, choose one of the 4 chart layouts. A popular choice is the 2x2 grid option, which will neatly arrange the charts in a way that's balanced and easy to view. After selecting your preferred layout, the window will update to show 4 separate charts on your screen simultaneously. Each of these can be customized and tailored to your specific needs, whether that's different time frames, technical indicators, or completely different markets or assets. And there you have it. A simple way to open and arrange 4 charts in TradingView using a Plus plan or above. I hope this quick guide has empowered you to maximize your use of TradingView and improve your trading strategies. Stay tuned for more tutorials.